Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve examples of exercise 20A, chapter 20, mensuration. One question is written here. Question number example 2. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 3:2. If the area of the field is 3,456 meter square, find the cost of fencing it at rate rupees 60 per meter. Fencing means perimeter. First of all, we have to find length and breadth. Given ratio of length and breadth is 3:2. So let L equal to 3x and B equal to 2x. Let L equal to length equal to 3x and breadth equal to 2x. According to question, area of the field equal to 3,456 meter square. That implies area of the field L into B equal to 3,456 meter square. Next step is length 3x, breadth 2x equal to 3,456 meter square. That implies 6x square equal to 3,456 meter square. That implies x square equal to 3,456 by 6 equal to, divide it by 6 times. 6 5 ja 30, 45, 6 7 ja 42 and 3 6 36, 6 6 ja 36 meter square. Next step is that implies x equal to under root 576 meter square equal to 24 meter. Now find length equal to 3x equal to 3 into 24 equal to 72 meter. Breadth equal to 2x, 2 into 24 meter equal to 48 meter. Fencing perimeter 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into 72 plus 48 equal to 2 into 8 plus 2 10 of 0 carry 1 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12 120 meter equal to 240 meter. Next step is cost of fencing. Cost of fencing equal to 240 multiply rate rupees 60 equal to 24 6 rupees 144 and double zero 14,400. This will be the answer of this question. Student, understand and write it. Students, next question. is example 4. In this question, find the area of a square. Find the area of a square, the length of whose diagonal is 8 root 2 meter. Diagonal is given, diagonal equal to 8 root 2 meter. So find area of the square. Area of the square equal to, direct formula is area of a square equal to 1 by 2 into diagonal square. 1 by 2 into diagonal square. So 1 by 2 into diagonal is 8 root 2. 8 root 2 meter square equal to 1 by 2 into 8 square 64 into root 2 square 2 meter square 2 to cancel equal to 64 meter square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6. In this question, the area of a square ABCD is 36 meter square. Find the area of the square obtained by joining the midpoints of the sides of the square ABCD. Here given a square ABCD, area of a square ABCD, area of a square ABCD, area of a square ABCD equal to 36 meter square, and the midpoint of AB, BC, CD and DA is P, Q, R and S. So PQRS is also a square. We have to find the area of a square PQRS. So find side of the square ABCD. Side of the square ABCD equal to under root area equal to under root 36 meter square. That means 6 meter. So BP AB is 6 meter. So BP is 3 meter. And BQ also 3 meter. Here right angle. Now, in right triangle, PBQ, in right triangle PBQ equal, in right triangle PBQ, PQ equal to under root BP square plus BQ square. BP square plus BQ square equal to under root 3 square plus 3 square under root 9 plus 9 equal to root 18. Root 18 means 2 into 9. A square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2 meter. Now, therefore, area of a square PQRS. Now find the area of a square PQRS. So side of a square PQRS is 3√3 meter square equal to side square. Side PQ square equal to 3√2 square. 3 square 9 and √2 square 2. So 9 to the 18 meter square. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. Example 7. In this question, a room is 9 meter long, 8 meter broad, and 6.5 meter high. It has one door of dimensions 2 meter into 1.5 meter and 4 windows. And 4 windows, each of dimensions 1.5 meter and 1 meter. 1.5 meter into 1 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls at ₹25 per meter. Here given length equal to 9 meter, breadth B equal to 8 meter, and height H equal to 6.5 meter. Change its decimal. 6.5 means 13 by 2 meter. So first of all, find area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Formula is 2 into L plus B into H equal to 2 into L is 9 meter, 9 plus 8 into 13 by 2 equal to 2 into 9 into 8, 17 into 13 by 2, 2 cancel, 17 into 13, multiply 17 into 13, 17 3 ja 51 and 17 1 ja 17, 1 5 plus 7 12 of 2 carry 1 1 1 2. So 221 meter. 221 meter square. Area of 4 walls. Now find area of one door. Equal to one door 2 meter into 1.5 meter. 2 meter into 1.5 meter. 15 to the 30. This one after 1 0. So 3 meter square. Now area of 4 windows. area 4 windows. So 4 windows means 4 into 1.5 meter into 1 meter equal to 15 4 just 60. Decimal after 1 digit. So 6 meters. Now area of the wall for whitewashing, area of the wall for whitewashing equal to area of the wall 221 meter square minus 4 windows and 1 door. Area 4 windows and 1 door is subtracted from area 4 walls. So 3 meter square plus 6 meter square equal to 221 meter square minus 9 meter square equal to 1, subtract 1, 20, 220 minus 8, 220 minus 8 equal to 212. Meter square. Now find the cost of whitewashing. Therefore, cost of whitewashing equal to 212 into rupees 25 per meter square. Rupees 25 equal to, so multiply 212 multiply 25. 2 5 the 10 of 0, 1 5 the 5, 1 5 the 5 plus 1 6, 2 5 the 10, 2 2 the 4, 1 2 the 2 and 2 2 the 4. Add it 0, 6 plus 4 10 of 0 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 and 4 plus 1 5 equal to rupees 5,300 answer. Students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 20A. Thank you. That's all.